Hi everyone, today we will play Still a Trade Plaza Part 3. Let's start. Let's go first. Pro, of course, I have Bergure for Euro 1.7 billion. That is crazy, but it has El Taco. That is why many value. You understand why? Okay, guys, I will do a 3 minutes video because I want to work for my game. Okay, let's see. We have Militaria Bloodroot. I like it. Okay, I sent him trade. Let's see. Bro, Legendary Cola. The value of Legendary Cola is very many, I guess. Okay. We will see a base. We will see a base. Okay. Oh, W bases. Okay guys, that is the video I want to show you. Bye everyone, hope you like my video.